Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Gen2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Display section. In it, click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it on or off. If you want to, you can always go into Tab menu instead. Look for Auto Brightness shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!